Another alert, guys.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Pulaski County in central Arkansas, Lonoke County in central Arkansas, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located in Orestes, or 11 miles southeast of downtown Little Rock, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts, and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Little Rock, North Little Rock, Sherwood, Jacksonville, Lonoke, England, Carlisle, Wrightsville, Keogh, Sweet Home, Toltec Mountain State Park, Parker's Corner, Estes, South Bend, McAlmont, Scott, Meadow, Prairie Center, Sizemore, and Parnell. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 155 and 185. Interstate 440 between mile markers 2 and 13. U.S. Highway 67 near mile marker 1. A tornado warning remains in effect.